Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here, guys. So I'm going to read all the specs off of my phone. So this unit, guys, was sent to me from HerGivenHair. This is about, I think, like the second or third collaboration with this company. I have not worked with this company in a while, but I decided to go ahead and collab this time because I saw this really pretty unit on the website and I had to go ahead and get my hands on it. So this unit, guys, is a Firecracker unit. It is a Coily 3C to 4A type of texture. This is a pre-bleached knot. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline as well too. I did go in and just take a little bit off just because I wanted to open it up even more. So that's why you could probably see it like a little bit open right here. I did add the powder to kind of really show you guys the scalpage. This is a lace closure unit, guys, and it's a 4x4. So I'm kind of doing more of the lace closure units just because I want to kind of give my edges a little bit of you know, rest, especially because you guys know I've been wearing my natural hair lately. So I kind of want to give, you know, a lay off of the glues and stuff like that. So I'm trying to do like the 5x5 closures or the 4x4 closures. So this unit, guys, is absolutely gorgeous. I'm a medium to average cap size, so this unit fits me very well. I did not add any inner spray, like tinting spray or anything. All I did with this one is just add my face powder to it. The unit, guys, I actually did wash it before I put it on because I wanted to kind of see what the texture is like. When you get it in the package, it's kind of really bundled up. Any 4C texture type of hair or coily type of hair, when you first get out the pack, it's going to be kind of like really bunched up. So you're going to have to wash the hair, put a little leave-in conditioner in. So I did use a Cantu leave-in conditioner. I combed it out. I let it air dry, and this is what it'll look like once you add some product to and you let it air dry. You can see how really nice and coily the curls are, guys. I'm not really someone that really does this type of texture, but listen, this is absolutely gorgeous. And the best part about this one, the unit is not even glued down, so I can actually lift this one and put it back down. So the whole 5x5 closure thing works for me because I don't have to glue it down. I don't got to do any of that mess. Just prepare it on the mannequin head, which all I did was let it air dry and put some product in it. So this is what it looks like, guys. I did use the hot comb just to kind of make like little sectional barriers right here so you can kind of see like where it enters in, where the parting is, just to kind of give it more of a clean surface so it kind of looks like you glued it down but you really didn't. So all in all, guys, I think that this came out really cute. I'll turn around and show you guys the back. I love the length. It's 16 inches, which is not long. I usually like these kind of lengths for the season, and the color, obviously we gotta look at the color. The color's very pretty. I was skeptical in the beginning about the little bright red highlights, but once you wash it and style it, it looks so freaking cute. Very fall, very November, very fall foliage type of look, guys. I absolutely love it. I was gonna go ahead and try to dye it like a darker red, but I'm probably just gonna keep it like this because honestly it's really cute. And like I said, it's a 4x4 closure, so no gluing the edges down. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll leave all the information down below per usual, but do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.